Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce won Jamaica's second gold medal at the 17th IAAF World Championships and her fourth in the 100 meters as the nation secured two of a possible three medals on Sunday's third day of competition. Keon Rayner is in Doha, Qatar.
Primetime Sports Report, Road to Doha.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, who spoke of being consistent throughout the rounds, did just that as she demolished the field in the 100 meters final to win a fourth unprecedented 100 meters title here in Doha.
It's a clean start. There's a roar from the crowd. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce gets a good start. Dina Asher-Smith going well. Fraser-Pryce is going to get there. What a performance. Fraser-Pryce, and it's silver for Dina Asher-Smith. I think Marie-Jose Tarlou may have taken the bronze.
Fraser-Pryce's world-leading winning time of 10.71 seconds was 1200th of a second, better than Britain's Dina Asher-Smith's national record of 10.83 seconds and Marie-Jose Tarlou's 10.90.
I just give God all the glory, honestly. It has definitely been a journey back. A lot of hard work, a lot of sacrifice, and we take nothing for granted. Every day is a blessing, and I was able to come out here, and I was, depending on my experience, I didn't really, the lights were nice if you were not in the race. So that tend to get you a little bit flustered, but for me tonight I wasn't flustered or anything. I just wanted to get the start.
Elaine Thompson ended fourth in 10.93 seconds.
I was trying to get through the round because I'm doubling, so I didn't want to go too fast in the heat because I haven't raced so long, so I was just conserving. But today I came out here to just let it out, but I guess it's just not.
That I could have represented for my country, for myself, for my family. I mean, it is joy to have broken the national record again, and to be honest, I'm just overjoyed. I'm just really grateful, and I'm pleased to know that I've overcome most of my obstacles and here representing my country.
Reporting from the 17th IAAF World Championships in Doha, Qatar, I'm Keon Rayner for TVJ Sports.